Okay, this is question 14 in paper 2, section C. This is about the solution of triangle. We have triangle ABC, whereby the angle at the BCA is 130. This is 6. This is 8.1. Okay. Now, so first part, we need to calculate the length of AB. Now, let me redraw so that I can scribble on my paper instead. So we have, so this is A, this is B, and this is C. This is 130, 8.1 cm, 6 cm over here. So what we want now is the length of AB. Yep, it's over here. Okay, we need to find the length of AB. This is the first part, AB. And then the second part, we need to find the angle of BAC. And then the third part, the area of the new triangle. Area of new triangle. Okay, we come to that later. All right, let's solve the AB and angle BAC first. Where's AB? AB is here. So to solve this one, do you notice that I have two sides and an inclusive angle? This is the opposite one, so we can use the cosine rule. Therefore, let's use the cosine rule right away. And the cosine rule states that the c squared, which is AB, so AB squared, equals to the square of the two sides, 6 squared plus the 8.1 squared, A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C, which is cos 130 degree. All right, use calculator. We have, okay, 36 plus 8.1 squared, and then minus, okay, this one we have to do 2 times A times B. This one have to be in the bracket, yeah? All right, 2 times A times B times with cos 130, close bracket. So equals to 164.09. 164.09. So to find AB, we square root this one. So let's square root the final answer. We will have 12.81 as our answer. 12.81 cm. So we just found our AB. Next, we need to find the angle of BAC. So where is it? BAC. So we need to find this. To find this, then we have to apply the sine rule, because sine rule require a pair of the side with its angle with another pair of the side and its angle, where one of them is unknown. So in this case, I need to find this. Then the corresponding sides will be the opposite one, which is this. It is proportion to 130 with the opposite side that we have just found, AB. So use the sine rule. And since the angle, this angle is the one that I want to find, so angle I put on top. Sine angle BAC compare to its length, and the length is 6, is proportion to sine 130 compared to its corresponding side, which is 12.81. So with this, use calculator. We have sine 130 divided by 12.81 and then times with 6. So we have 0.3588. 0.3588, that is sine angle BAC. Now, therefore, angle BAC will be, we find the arcsine for this. Okay. Now, actually, there is a steps finding the which quadrant, find the actual the reference angle, the actual angle. But this one, we just go straight to find the arcsine, because the second quadrant we can calculate by minus from 180. So 3588. Oh, so we have to arcsine this, yeah? So arcsine the 0.3588, and we will have 21.02 minutes a degree, or 21 degree 1 minute. Okay, 21 degree 1 minute. Okay, so next part has something to do with this. Okay, makes sense? Yes, if this is obtuse angle, the other two must be acute angle. In one triangle, you can never have more than two. You cannot have more than one obtuse angle. So the answer makes sense, yeah? Now, next part, we need to find the area. Okay, this is the ambiguous case. Okay, find the area of the new triangle ABC. New triangle ABC if the AC is extended. The AC is extended. Where is AC? Here. The AC is extended. I need to use the other color of pen so that you can see. The AC extended. All right. While the length of AB, the length of BC, and the angle of BAC are maintained. That means this length no changes. This length no changes. This angle no changes. The only changes that we can play around with this, the AC is changes. Okay. Therefore, this is ambiguous case whereby the shorter side is at the opposite angle, and the longer side will be a bigger angle. So in this case, the shorter side, I can also, use the compasses and construct another side. Then I will have the isosceles triangle. Not very clear, yeah? So we extended. Okay, if we construct this, we will have two lengths that are the same length. So we will have ABC. We will also have ABC prime over here. That is what the question wants. Find the area of a new triangle ABC, whereby AC is being extended and the rest will remain the same. So the red one is the area that we need to find. So how do we find the area of the triangle? That is A equals to half AB sine C. So, which is our angle? Our angle is here. This is still the same. We need to find half AB sine C. I have this one. Do I have this? I don't have. So how do I create this? Oh, if this one, so we know that this is 21 degree 1 minute, and this is 130. Therefore, we can find this. We can find this. We take 180 minus 130, which is 50. And then 50 minus 21 degree and 1 minute, we will have 50 degree minus 20 degree, 21 degree, and 1 minute. So we have 28 degree and 59 minute. So this is 28 degree 59 minutes. And as for this one, this is 130. This is a straight line, isn't it? So we will have 50 over here and 50 over here. Therefore, this one will be 80. So this triangle, let me illustrate over this side so that we just focus. This is A, this is B, and this is the C prime. We have AB. AB we found to be 12.81 in part A, in part 1. And then we have the angle BAC, right? Then from there we find this angle ABC. Because I don't have the length of AC prime, but I do have BC prime, that is 6 cm. What we need is these two lengths must be include must be able to include the angle that we need to count, that is C. So therefore, with these two lengths, these are the two lengths that I have. So no matter what, I have to find the angle between these two lengths, these two sides. So this is how I found the angle. I have this, so can use 180 to find this one. And then from there, we can find this, because this is a straight line. If this is 130, this is 50. So two side isosceles triangle, 50, 50, 100. So this is 80. Plus with the 28 degree 59 minute, then we will have over here 108 degree 59 minute. So with this, we apply into our formula. Half, my A is 12.81 times 6, and then sine with 108 degree 59 minute. Okay, use calculator. So 1/2 times AB 12.81 times C, time B, half AB times sine C. C is 108 degree and 59 minutes. So the answer is 36.34 cm squared. 36.34 cm squared. So we just found the answer to question number 14.